In this lesson, we're going to talk about display modes. Display modes are controlled by this drop-down in the heads-up view toolbar. You'll remember I've said that I most frequently work with shaded with edges turned on. Shaded without edges turns out to be the fastest display mode, and the wireframe options are slower than shaded. Notice that some of the models have colored wireframe display while the majority are just black. If we open up one particular part and look at it, you can go through the Tools Options dialog. Under Document Properties, go to Model Display. Notice that this part does not have the Apply Same Color to Wireframe, HLR, and Shaded turned on. So we'll turn that on now and say OK. And flip back to the assembly. Now that was set to a white color. Let's open up the motor to see how that is set up. So we'll go to Tools Options, Document Properties, Model Display, and this has a specific color set for wireframe. If we apply the same color, then the model turns out gray. Let's change the color of the seat, even though it has a material on it. If you have an image mapped to the material as a part of the appearance, as this has had a leather grain associated with it, then the color is disabled, and re-enabling the color will override that leather grain image. Now we flip back to the assembly, and the seat should display as red. This setting, if we look at the handlebars, at the same setting, the Tools Options, Document Properties, Model Display, Apply Same Color to Wireframe, HLR, and Shaded. This setting can be set for templates. And in fact, it's probably the best option when it is set to templates, because then your assemblies in wireframe, all of the parts will be distinguishable from one another. If that setting is not set in your template, then you will get what I've got here for most of my parts, which is simple black wireframe, regardless of the shaded color of the part. Notice that some of these parts are showing blue, but that's for a different reason. If I open up the rear tire part, you can see that this is just a surface that's been revolved. And there's an option in SOLIDWORKS under Display Selection that will show the open edges of surfaces in a different color. And that color is set in your Colors dialog, Surfaces, Open Edges. It's a good idea to set this as a bright color, especially if you're working with surfaces very often, because open edges in a surface body can cause a lot of difficulties. In addition to straight wireframe, one of my favorites is hidden lines visible, but on an assembly like this, it makes the display rather busy. So one of the things I like to do is I'll set my overall to shaded with edges, and then use the display pane to change the display of various other parts. For example, the gas tank can be set to hidden lines visible. The motor can be set to hidden lines removed. The transmission can be set to straight wireframe. This enables you to get a good see-through look at your part. You can mix modes as well, so your primary cover you could set to transparent. And notice as I'm doing this, the video card is struggling more and more to keep up. As I'm rotating, some of these parts are getting tessellated, which is what it defaults to when it just can't keep up with how fast the display needs to run.